Okay, I'm a mouse. I have to not get caught by the cat. Or I get locked in the cage by getting caught by this cat down here. It didn't even catch any mouses yet. What? Why is he? Why is the cat still? What is he doing? He's not even smart. Oh, he did found me. Actually, he's following me. What? Hey. He's actually not following me. Well, hey. What are you doing? Hey. Oh, come on. Oh, it saw me. It couldn't even catch me.